Assalamu alaikum students. Today my topic is solution of matrix equation. You can see here I have put two examples. One is simpler one and other is a little bit technical. You can see come to the point. Solution of the matrix equation. Solve the matrix equation. First question, first assignment, first problem, that is solve the matrix equation. So you can see here there is the variable y involved in it, and also there is a matrix. So if there is matrix involved in the equation, this equation will be known as matrix equation. So the variable involved, that is y, we have to find the y, but y, what will be y? Y will be a matrix. So let me solve it. The simpler algebraic expressions, algebraic operations are to be applied here. 4y, this y will be written as capital. 4y minus y is equal to this whole the matrix will be shifted toward right hand side. So will become 2 times 12, 6 minus 9, 0. So 4y minus y, 3y, just as an algebraic equation, and this 2 will be multiplied inside, and this will become 24, 12 minus 18 or 0. And what will happen next? This 3 is to be minimized, so this will become like 3y over 3. Whole equation will be divided by 3. So 24, 12 minus 18, 0. So these will be cancelled. Y will be, the final matrix will become, all the entries, I have told you earlier, all the entries will be divided by this 3. Mean 1 by 3 will be multiplied with all the entries, or all the entries will be divided by 3. So you will put there 24 over 3, 12 over 3, and minus 18 over 3, 0 over 3 will become 8 or 4 and minus 6, 0. This is the matrix Y. But in second assignment, second question, second problem, you can see there is the product of two matrices. So such equations are a bit technical. How we can solve them? Ax is equal to b pre-multiplying by A inverse on both sides. What is pre and post multiplying? That is important to be noted. In this part, left hand side, you can see that A is on left hand side. So this A inverse will also be put before A, not after X, but before A. So it is taking the place on left hand side of A. So this will be known as, left hand side will be called as pre-multiply. If we multiply the equation by A inverse from left hand side, so left hand side multiplication will be known as pre-multiply. And if you multiply from right hand side, for example, if this equation exists like x a is equal to b, then in this case we have to put A inverse on the right hand side of both sides. So in this case we will take post multiplication. In this case we will take post multiplication. So what will be next step? Pre-multiplying A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse b. So next step, I think you will be aware, A inverse into A will become identity matrix. When a matrix is multiplied with its inverse, then the answer will be identity matrix. Identity matrix into X is equal to A inverse B, and X will be A inverse B because identity never changes any matrix by multiplication. So what is A inverse? 1 over AB minus BC, that is 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 3 into the matrix A, adjoint of A, that is by changing positions and signs. So you will write here minus 2, 1 and 3 minus 3 into this whole thing is A inverse by applying the formula, and next B we have to put B into B. What is B? Minus 1 0 0 1. Now we will multiply them. By multiplying these two matrices and then dividing all the entries by this answer, we will get the matrix A. So this is the procedure how to solve the matrix equation in which the unknown is multiplied with any matrix. But here in this equation, unknown was not multiplied with any matrix, that was multiplied with a number only. Its coefficient was 1, its coefficient was 4. So this is the difference in matrix equations. Always keep in mind. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.